day 2 of this crazy little adventure that we got going on. Our very first ever. You know what? You guys will see. Just wait. Let's go.
Hot sun beating down on my neck again. And that's all.
Well, we made it to where? You're asking yourself. Well, it's pretty epic. So let's show you around.
Oh, you would roll in with the
I would.
huh?
I'm giving you a hug.
How's it going, man?
So where are we at?
Pro Ray Nautica in Crozet, Virginia for the release one shot for Jared Salvin.
Okay, this place is insane. It's dog friendly. That's right. Got a puppers? Bring them. Music, puppies, food, beer. Yeah, we should probably test some, huh?
Very
Our manager, that's what Overwatch does.
yes.
In charge. Oh, little ones everywhere.
Hi.
Little one. Hi.
That's awesome.
Let's go take a look at all the rigs. I did see a couple lifted Toyotas come in.
Yeah. Way to break off from mingling.
Yeah, we got the rest of the crew.
I don't want to get hit by a car here.
We got the rest of the crew handing out free t-shirts, so if you're watching this and you didn't come, guess what you missed out on? Stickers and t-shirts. That's right. You missed out.
Okay, we're going behind.
So now we're gonna go see some overlanding rigs, 4x4s, Jeeps, you name it. We got something over there. Okay. Got some light pods, some beefy Toyo MTs. Oh man, it's clean. Could this be the winner? We don't know.
Stay tuned.
All right, we showed you a Jeep. Aaron's talking about a lifted, well, there's 2 lifted. TRD Tundra.
Oh,
Look at that.
Ooh, Tundra.
Oh,
Look at mine here.
there's another Tundra too, a red one. All right, let's show them. Oh,
Nice.
very nice. You know, not overly built, pretty simple. Nice though. Got some mud in there. No tailpipes. I like the no tailpipes. I bet it's loud. Could this be a contender? I don't know.
Pretty nice.
What do you guys think? Okay, here's another TRD Pro Tundra. Oh, we got some Generals on there. We like Generals. It is real clean looking. The max tracks are nice and hidden. It's got a V8. We got a bunch of ram mounts, some pod lights. Oh man. Yes, Yes, you're hearing this from DAO. A bunch of Jeep guys looking at Toyotas right now.
I like Toyotas too.
We do. We like anything that goes in the woods and plays. Could this be a winner? Don't know. Don't know. We'll find out. While we're at it, I mean, a pickup is a pickup, right?
Okay.
Even if it's not a Toyota, we're still gonna look at it. It's clean looking. Oh man, Z71 off-road, it's clean. Sleek. What do you think, Aaron? Potential? Could be.
Could be.
Could be. There's a lot of people at this Pro Auto thing. I mean, we kind of threw it together. Dom, Overwatch has been putting a lot of work into this with the band, so we got to give a big shout out to her and good job. And seriously, you kicked ass. And now me and Aaron are gonna do some leg work and
He's gonna wander around.
yeah. Ooh, look at this guy. Look at that. Oh, wait for it.
Lexus.
Oh, there it is. It's got flat fenders. It reminds me of someone else's.
Yeah, it's not here though.
It's okay. You got Nitto tires. Oh man. Is it? No, it's an automatic. I don't know, Aaron. I can't say much. I drive an auto.
It's a lot like mine.
It does.
RC.
You know what?
That's RC. That's a different version of it.
You know what? You know what you're getting. You know what you're getting.
You get a
Oh
sticker
yeah,
too.
you get a sticker too, big guy. There you go. Or girl. We don't know if you're a girl or a guy.
Exactly.
Ooh.
Was
Oh, there's a couple over here. Oh yeah.
Trasher's
Yeah.
faded. We could use another
His Trasher is a little faded. Let's see. Let's show you this weapon. Oh dang.
one. Check out the plate too.
Oh dang.
NEB Taco.
Oh dang. He uses it and abuses it.
Fox shocks.
Oh man. We got Falcon Wild Peak MTs on there. Oh wait a second.
Adventure X Fest.
He's been to Adventure X Fest. If you haven't been there yet, check that out too, guys. We'll be there. But he's definitely getting a sticker and a card. Woo! All right, we're back. Crisis avoided. Back to tagging cars. We picked up a new guy, old guy, rookie, whatever you want to call him. Here he is. No beard. It's
Okay.
weird.
All right.
Things are getting odd, but we found another Jeep.
I see how it is. It's cool. Watch out.
Wait a second. What are these angry eyes? Oh, you know what? You know what? You're definitely getting a sticker. Nice, bright yellow.
Funk punch.
We gotta show it off. All right. Over. Nice. Oh, you think you can sneak past us? We're judging. You're getting a sticker. I mean, he tried sneaking past us. We still tagged him. That's right. That's right. You're on our film. We got you. But we got to cut through all these other cars. See what mischief we can find. I do like this little 4Runner and this big F450. I think we should tag them. I'm just there's two 4Runners together. Let's tag all three here. Yep. That was the first one. I'm gonna work. Are you doing both, Aaron? Oh. Look at that. Here, we'll do a quick doot. Oh, there's a stock Tacoma down here. TRD package. I know what you guys. It's a white one. It's nice. Nice and clean. You're getting one. You're getting one. You're getting one if you like it or not. You're getting one. Go get it. Seriously, this Tacoma, I would like to tag it.
You mean a Tundra?
Or sorry, Tundra. My bad. But this is Aaron's daily.
Is it tagged already?
You know what? Should we tag it?
Wait, look.
Wait.
Is it already?
It's already tagged.
See,
That's
one
right.
of those,
Yeah, you need a new one. Take that one off, old.
put another one.
We're not going to do that one then. Let's do that. Oh my. Look at this guy.
Got potential.
Got potential. Hey, we've seen Fords. We've seen Chevys. We haven't seen a Dodge Ram until right now.
It's a Hemi.
Oh my. It's beastly. It's a big boy. Oh yeah, some Master Crafts. It's super clean. Oh yeah, you get a sticker. You're getting one. Oh, that thing is nice. Nice truck. Okay, a couple more that we saw come in, but without further ado, let me introduce you to these two sexy rigs. Oh man, look how clean, look how nicely lifted. You guys, you're making it hard for this contest. Seriously. Oh my. Well, we walked the parking lot. We try to get as much as we can. It's a big parking lot. I'm out of breath.
Yeah.
Aaron's out of breath. We're still handing out tags. I think our vote's in, but it could always be changed. So we're gonna keep walking. Think we picked something that's a little crazy, a little tall. Got some beefy tires. Everything that we like.